How's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. Just got done speaking at Samuel Gompers School here in Lakewood, California. Got to share my heart with the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders today. It was awesome. Talked about bullying and seeing people for their heart first. Like the shirt says, one race, human. We see them as human beings before anything else. And we see people as true miracles, the M's on all of our palms. Upside down W for worthy. And that we see people for their heart as big as their fist before anything else, and that we know that if we can still let love, peace, joy, happiness, compassion, empathy, forgiveness fully enter into here, we can turn this into peace. And there's a lot of students that came up to me after that were in tears, that what I shared today was really heart-hitting, and they were going through some tough times either at home or just in life in general, dealing with some loss and some death and pain, but they know that with all that pain can still come hope, and that with pain can come greatness. So just trying to share that in my heart with everybody. It was just an amazing day, beautiful weather, beautiful people, beautiful smiles, and thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.